right, 7th graders, this is to help you with question 2 on CR9. It says to determine the area of a square computer part with a side of 400 centimeters, Lee found the value of 400 centimeters. That number would be squared. What should the answer be? Okay, so he's finding the area of computer part that happens to be square. Okay, so the area of a square, you could think of this as the side of the square. So this would be side times side. So the area of a square is side times side, or your area is side squared. That's where they're coming up with this from. So that area would be side squared. So if you know each side of your square is 4/100 of a centimeter, you would multiply those together. Your area would be side squared, 0.04 squared. And what does it mean to square something? It means to take that number and multiply it by itself. That's what it means to square something. If you're going to find the area, that's how you do it, side times side. If they didn't match, we usually say length times width. They match, we say side times side. So now I just have to be able to multiply these decimals. So if I take 0.04 and I multiply by 0.04, no need to line up decimal points, no need to think about decimal points right now. So 4 times 4 is 16. Then you just have to think about how far over do you have to move. You got to move over 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 and 2 more, you move 4. So you got to move that decimal point 4 places over. So if the decimal point would start here, you'd move it over 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places. Fill in a couple of zeros, so your answer will be 0.0016. And centimeters times centimeters is centimeters squared. Area is always measured in square units. So it would be this one, because I could put the 0 in front. They gave you those answers in case you accidentally thought squaring something was multiplying it by 2, and they gave you this answer in case you didn't know how far over to move your decimal point. But you do. Multiply the number by itself and move it over the total number of decimal points that you need to. All right, I hope that helps.